Hello, welcome back guys to Amalia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to combine file in a Google Drive on Android. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support the channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Well guys, firstly here of course you just have to open your Google Drive, and also you just have to make sure that your phone is already connected to the internet. If you want to combine, you just have to create a folder first, yeah guys. Just tap on this plus icon. Now tap on this folder. After, you just have to rename first for your folder. For example, I'm gonna rename it. Just tap on create, and as you can see, this is for the folder. If you want to combine it, you just have to tap and press for a second like this, and now you just have to select for the file. And if you're done, tap on this three dots icon again. Now go ahead to this move options. In this page, you go ahead to this folder. Now tap on move options. You have to wait for a second. As you can see, for the three files before is already combined in this folder. So yeah, I think it's enough guys from me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.